Hey guys, welcome back to AMIE. So guys, in this video we are going to learn about the safety valve which is known as the Ramsbottom Safety Valve. So guys, Ramsbottom Safety Valve used especially on locomotives in which two valves are pressed down by a single spring which is attached to a crosspiece prolonged to form a hand lever, by which the valves may be eased up and down. So this lever was characteristically extended rearwards, often reaching into a cab or early locomotives. Rather than discouraging the use of the spring lever by a fireman, Ramsbottom valve encouraged this. Rocking the lever freed up the valves alternately and checked that neither was sticking in its seat even if the fireman held the lever down and increased the force on the rear valve. There was a corresponding reduction of the force on the forward valve. Let's check out the parts and the construction of the Ramsbottom valve. Ramsbottom safety valve is intended to improve the reliability and especially to be temper resistant. A pair of plug valves were held down by a common spring-loaded lever between them and a single central spring. Various forms of the Ramsbottom valve were produced. Some were separate fittings to the boiler to the separate penetrations, and others are U-shaped housing, as we can see in this model. This is the U-shaped housing fastened to the single opening in the boiler shell. The U-shaped housing is having flange connection given to mount on the boiler and for the easy maintenance. The eye bolt is mounted on the center space of the wall upon which the link is connected. The link is having the slot which allows the spring to expand. As the pressure acts on the wall gets opened up and the spring expands. The pressure is distributed equally by this type of the design and the pressure gets released. The spring tension is important parameter for the working of the Ramsbottom valve. The lever can be also used. The lever can also be used and release the pressure manually in the valve. The flange size can be vary as per the mating flange size of the equipment. These valves can be called as a safety valve or the pressure relief valve. In this case, the diameter of the housing and the thickness of the housing plays a very crucial role in the design of the Ramsbottom valve. So guys, we have seen the working of Ramsbottom valve, its construction and parts. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If I miss anything in this video, please tell me what I have missed in this video. Also hit like, comment and share my video on the social networks. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel AMIE.